phenomenon of secularism and its understanding. Introduction. Islamic societies, especially those based on Islamic teachings, values, and systems of governance, have repeatedly been targeted by ideological movements that aim to weaken the role of religion in public life. These movements often try to replace Islamic principles with man-made ideologies that have led to dictatorship, oppression, and injustice in many parts of the world. One of the most influential and controversial of these ideologies is secularism, which promotes the idea of separating religion from politics. This idea has caused deep divisions and ongoing debates both within Islamic societies and at the global level. Supporters of secularism claim that politics should be free from religious influence. They argue that this separation is necessary for fairness and progress. However, such claims often lead to reducing the role of religion in shaping political and social systems. While secularism continues to challenge religious influence in many Muslim societies, it has already been widely implemented in Western countries, many of which were once deeply shaped by religious values and the authority of the Church.